Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here. So today is Christmas holiday. So I just want to say happy holidays to you guys. So before I get into the video guys, I just want to say thank you guys for liking, sharing and subscribing. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And also if you find my content valuable, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so my video can be seen by more people. Okay guys, so basically what I'm gonna do for you today I'll be sharing with you another money making app that personally I have been using to earn a little money on the side. And also I will go over just some updates and some apps that I personally use on my phone to make a little money on the side. So the app that I want to share with you guys is when I go into one of my apps that I've been using to earn a little money on the side, just to show you guys basically how I've been earning. And the other, I think it was yesterday, I was just going through this app and I realized that I am up $6, as you can see. So basically guys, this is how I've been earning. As you can see, fast food fast food offer, so I earned 50 cent just for doing that. And also I use a referral link, so I got a $5 bonus. So if you're interested in using this app, I have a full video on my channel. So what I'll do, I'll just leave the link up here for you guys so you can watch. So basically is basically you shopping online, and by shopping online you're able to earn these cashback offers. And once you earn this cashback offer, you're able to take out your earnings in so if I go to the earn payout section, you're able to take out your money in here. You're able to do a interact e-transfer. So yes guys, you have to link your account. So once you link your account there, you'll be able to send that money straight back to your account that you have already linked. So not PayPal guys, you can't do PayPal here. So it's basically is a interact e-transfer. So just to keep that into consideration, interact e-transfer. So yes guys, this app is available in Canada, so just to keep that into consideration also. So yes guys, so the way how you can earn, I just showed you before. It's pretty simple. I just want to show you guys how I've been earning. I've been earning a little every now and then. So yes guys, you can add your favorite also. So if you shop basically with a store and stuff like that, you just want to add it here to favorite, so it's there for you when you need, if you shop online with this app. So yes guys, as I said before, this back app come with a silent bonus. I will leave my link in the description down below, so you're able to click the link, make your very own account. You'll be getting your $5 silent bonus just immediately after doing that. So yes guys, now another app that I want to share with you. So once I'm on the platform guys, basically you will see basically how I've been earning and stuff like that. So it's taking a while to load, so I'm just gonna wait for it to load for you guys. So yes, and as you can see guys, here we're on the platform. So basically it's the similar app. Basically what you do is just play games with apps, take surveys and stuff like that, and you're able to start earning. And they have a cash out section that they do have here. They have special offers, and they have of course PayPal and Starbucks and Amazon gift cards. So if you're interested in that, you can also go ahead and cash out just like that. So if you're interested with this app also to just play games and earn a little money on the side, I will leave my link to it in the description down below. And also what I'll do, I'll leave a link at the top to a full video about this app and how you're able to start everything about it, so you're able to start earning if you're interested. So guys, I have come to the end of the video. Before I go, I just want to say guys, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys.